Hi there, guys and gals. Good morning to each every one of you. Yes, this is Britney Cheryl wagon. She's now getting fixed as for today. And as you can see, these are the tools of the mechanic. He just went by there to have some recharging of my battery because he's doubting if it's still working because it's been a long time. I think, if I'm not mistaken, more than 2 years since Britney Cheryl didn't have on the road. So it's time for now for Britney Cheryl to have a life again. Bring back her life again. And then while he is doing the battery charging on the other street, he already drained the oil for changing oil. And then as you can see, guys and girls, the cover of Britney Cheryl's has already tormented, ripped, damaged, so it will be replaced the soonest. You know what, I just bought this a year ago, and then because of the rain and the sun, that's why it's already like this. Gosh, why is that there's a what's this? There's an egg in here. Too bad. Quail eggs. There are quails who hatches. Anyway, so wish me luck, guys and gals, for Britney Cheryl will be alive again. We're gonna hit the road the soonest once she will get fixed by the mechanic. Have a great day to each every one of you. Bye for now. Shout out to each every one of you. Godspeed. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you give. Bye for now.